All right, good morning, everybody. Got a big size trade for you today, taking 6,000 shares short in BNED, which we're going to break down in today's video. Also, I have a brand new camera. I just spent a good amount of money on this camera, so I think it's looking pretty good. I don't know if I have the audio quite synced up yet, but I'll continue. I literally just got this thing set up right before the trading day today, so probably going to be doing a lot of tweaking to it, but I got the Sony ZV-E10 now here for both this channel, and then really the main reason I got it was for my whiskey channel. If you guys haven't seen that, check the link down in the description below, or search Whiskey Tears, Tiers, on YouTube. Watching BNED, see if we can make a move up through 40 cents here. Looking for a little bit more here. Keep going, BNED. Keep going. Some of that momentum. Come on, a little bit more. All right, it's trying, watching it here. All right, I'm going to try and get in here at 43. I got an order out for 1,000 at 43.
FWRD.
All right, can I get a fill here at 43?
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in 1,000 shares short here on BNED, 43 cents. See if it wants to pop any further. I would need 48 for an ad. All right, put an order out for 1,000 at 48. See if it gets up there. All right, can I get 48? The ad was on the ass there for a second. Can I get the fill at 48? Okay, got that. Now 2,000 at 45 and a half. All right, looking for a little bit more here. Maybe 54.
Order partially filled.
All right, gonna add in 2,000 more there. Now I have 4,000, just under 50 cents.
Order partially filled.
I'm gonna get in some more shares here.
Order partially filled.
Okay, got that. So
Order
in
filled.
another 2,000 there. Oh, I just saw it's actually coming up to almost 0 shares left in this thing, so that's not great. In at 52 cents now. All right, keep coming. Keep coming here. Got that. Watching it. Can it get under 50?
Order partially
take another
filled.
2,000. Oh, nope. I took
Order
the whole
filled.
thing right there. I meant to take another 2,000 off right there. But once it filled that order, I forgot I was going to change my shares. So meant to still have 2,000 here, but all out there in BNED. We'll see if that was for the better or for the worse. Probably for the worse. Man, still supposed to have another 2,000 here. Looking for that bigger flush down. Okay, everybody, so let's break down this BNED trade from earlier. You can see it has actually now made a secondary run, but unfortunately, it did do a bigger move down, all the way down to about 41 cents there after that initial flush, and that's what I was trying to hold those extra 2,000 shares for. So that would have been nice if I had not messed up the order and taken that extra 2,000 off, but you know, it is what it is. So let's look at the trade overall. It was an okay trade. It maybe didn't work as fast as I would have thought it would, especially for a stock of this size, but I liked it for a couple of reasons. One, obviously, it was alerting on the scanner. The range was pretty well defined, and I knew that this thing most likely wasn't going to get away from me in any kind of crazy way, because if we look at the daily chart, I mean, just had nowhere really to go with so much stuff overhead. And if we look at the daily chart, it was doing a pop there up into the 50, 60 cents, which was right up towards the move of the candle the other day. So that's why I felt good being able to add in more shares than you guys may have seen me take in generally here on the channel. Plus, it started actually running out of shares and did run out of shares when I was in the trade here. So I was able to get in a little bit more there for the flush. Had it come up above this level, would have had to stop this one out. Would have been a stop up there, would have lost about, I don't know, $400 or $500, something like that, but would have been fine overall. So happy it came down, a little disappointed that I didn't get further on the flush there, but it is what it is. So this is an example too of one of the ones that, my normal, if you guys have seen my strategy video or you watch the channel, my normal entry system is a 1-1-2, but because I knew where my risk was and where my range of the stop out was, I knew that I had plenty of room to add in that extra share size there, get my average up a little bit, and still be fine overall with my risk parameters. So that was the trade there in BNED. All right, so that's it for me today, everybody. Just making that one trade there in BNED, making $129, but I did have 6K shares, so that is going to have some commissions that come with it. I don't know what exactly it will be, but it'll probably take me down to around $100 or so if I'm doing any kind of math right in my brain. So that's going to do it for me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.